we're an add-on to WooCommerce. So we expect you to already have WooCommerce installed. The second thing, before we get into the details of setting up our plugin, is we want to make sure that you set up a backup program. We love Updraft Plus. Also, you should set this up in a staging and test environment and check everything out. One of the common issues are people that have problems with their payment gateways. We recommend that you always go to set up the default payment gateway just for testing, not for real. On cash on delivery, that sends the appropriate triggers and hooks, and then we know that everything is set up correctly. The very first step when you go and install the plugin and activate it is we are category driven. So the settings come from the WooCommerce category. So you're going to go and you're going to create a new one. In this case, we're going to call it Raffle. We already did this. And on the Raffle category, we give it a name, and we check this box right here, category for raffles. Okay. Then when you come into Raffle Settings, now keep in mind there's all kinds of different options here. We're only going to cover the real basics to get you up and running. Each Raffle category will have a tab. In this case, we only have one. We're going to give a starting ticket number. Let's say 1001. You can set this to be whatever you want. We recommend that you don't set it for 25 million to start if you're only going to have a couple of tickets. Okay. In the Platinum version, now some of the settings that you see here are applicable for Silver, Gold, and Platinum, or just Gold or Platinum, or just Platinum. I'm going to skip over a lot of the different functionality and just assume the simple setup. Okay. In this case, we have if you want random or if you want to pick a ticket number. Those are only in the Platinum edition. 50/50 is only in the Gold. Successive numbers is in Gold or Platinum. 50/50 is also in Platinum. Order ID, this is in both, in all versions. I'm a fan of Order ID, and I'll explain why. When we started building this, we have all kinds of customers that would call and say, hey, I need my receipt. And my ticket number is 12345, and then you're trying to figure out where it is. So including the order ID makes it really simple, because if their order ID is 1234-1001, you know that it's 1234 is the order ID, so you can go to WooCommerce and pull up that information. The prefix, this is great for defining your raffles, like Fall Gala or Gala 2020, etc. We use 6 characters here. I'm going to do it for demo. And images. The images are available in all of our versions, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. However, it does require the GD library and some other settings on your server. While you're first starting out, we're a fan of just doing normal tickets. Minimize the issues that you might have with your server and your configuration, and then add as you go along. So if you want normal tickets, you can select it on the image. Gold and Platinum, you can also upload a custom file of this size, 300 by 147. And in large tickets, we also have the large ticket format in Platinum. You can show the phone number. This is new for 4.0, is the style of ticket numbers to be shown. You can do individual or range. We've always had that. So if you have somebody that's buying 50 tickets, you can have first ticket to the second ticket to the last ticket. We also have added this auto range. So if it's 4 or less, it'll display individually. If it's over 4, it'll display the range of tickets. We have text and order confirmation email. This is great for states like Colorado and Tennessee, where they have to have specific permit information and drawing information. This is in our Platinum version. Limit the number of tickets sold for this raffle. This is in Gold and Platinum. This I really want to stress. This is the max number of tickets available. So if you have a raffle that you're only going to sell 3,000 tickets for, this is where the number goes, not in the product level. We're going to just continue through. Do you want to limit tickets? That's a Platinum issue. You can set a start and end time of your raffle, and you click Save. that is the basic setup of how you set this up. Then you go over to WooCommerce and you create a product. And I have a couple products we already set up here. We have 10 tickets and 1 ticket. And I just want to go over what you're looking at for when you set up your product. So this is a single ticket. This is going to make 1 raffle ticket per sale of this product. This is the #1 mistake we see, and we see it all the time. You're going to come in, it's a simple product, you check raffle, you put the price, you go to the raffle tab, 1. This will make 1 ticket. We get so many people that go, well, I'm only going to do 10,000 tickets, so they put 10,000 in here. And then they have images set up. And then they're going to make 10,000 images, and they wonder why the checkout freezes. #1 problem. It's in all our documentation, but this is #1. If you want 10 tickets for this product, you put in 10. And then we add an image down here, 1 ticket, $10. And we assign it to the raffle category. And this is it. It's just that simple. When they go to buy the ticket, then they're going to get an email with their ticket information. But this is the basic setup. Takes 10 minutes. It's simple to do. After that, you can add all the features, and we'll do another video here in just a little bit to cover all the features. But thanks. This is 4.0, and there's a lot of new stuff in the way that it looks. A lot of new products and features in Platinum, multi-language support, etc. We're going to cover those in different video series, and our documentation, we ask that you're patient while we're dealing with coronavirus, and everyone's working from home, and it's just been a little tricky getting this out the door. So thanks again for being a customer. We really value it, your loyalty, and your business. So thank you so much.